sleeping in on the weekends. It's beautiful.
Whole Foods, trying to get some food for lunch. On the menu we have burgers, baked beans, and corn. The food that we just ate was so good, really enjoyed it. I especially love going to dine at places where you pay up front. It just feels like you're eating for free because you've already paid for the food, so you just get up and leave. It's really amazing. I love it. I just went to go walk Roman for a quick second. I need to get started on washing my hair, but I've kind of been lazy on getting started and like actually doing it. But I was headed outside and I got a package from my friend, so I thought I would open it. She sent me a bunch of gym like workout stuff, which is really convenient because for the past few months I've really been needing new gym stuff. Like now that I go every day, I see how easy it is to like run out of clothing. So I've been wanting to like buy something new, but not really knowing where to begin because I don't know, sometimes I'm like, is this stuff actually good? Like Gymshark, is that stuff actually good? I don't know. Fabletics, I don't know. You just never really know. So like I put off buying anything this entire time. I haven't bought anything. But thankfully, she had some stuff that she wanted to get rid of. Wow. This feels like an Easter basket. She sent me the good stuff, by the way. She sent me some Skims. I don't know if I can fit it yet, but she sent me some Skims. So this will be so nice. This is a cute color. So a tank top. Ooh, leggings. Nice. Dude, this is going to go to such good use. Another top. This could be cute for even wearing around the house. Loungewear. Green bottoms. She literally showed me everything on FaceTime, so seeing it all in person, I'm like, nice. These are cute. I like this color. This in orange. Hopefully I can fit this stuff. You know when they make things so small these days to where it looks like no one could fit it, and then you put it on and all of a sudden it like stretches to your size? That's cute. Oh yeah, I remember this one. Wait. What? I think it's open on the side. Ooh, nice. Free people. This is what I mean. Free people, FP movement, free people movement. I'm pretty sure all of this is free people. Yeah, it is. I'm spoiled. And then some Skim stuff. I don't know if I'll be able to fit these bras, but this one doesn't have padding, so maybe I can't. I'll have to try all this stuff on. A Skim strapless, like bandeau. I'm like going shopping. I don't own anything from Skims. Actually, I do own a random robe that I won in a giveaway many years ago. I forgot about this. She just started making these cups and getting all of the materials to be able to like make them as like a business. So she sent me this one. I forgot she said she was gonna send me this. It's green. Of course it is. Look, Roman. Easily distracted by dogs. I picked this up because of you. Look, 2 different like tumblers. These are really cute. I'm so spoiled. Now it's time to do something with this hair. This is a long-awaited wash day in the making. Let's get to it. Okay, it's Tuesday. We are officially getting into it. So I've been in my like spring cleaning era for the past month or so. For me, that usually just looks like decluttering more than anything. So around this time every year, I just feel like that internal spark to just like throw everything away. And it's been really nice. I've made a lot of donations. But on the other side of things, I feel like that leaves you with a lot of space. And so with this room in particular, that has left me with room to kind of create a guest room of sorts. One of the main things that I've gotten rid of in this room was my entire candle making business. I basically had this entire area dedicated to all of my candle stuff. I had a huge workspace, like table, all of my crates, literally everything. And now we just have a lot of room left in here. And I feel like I just need to fill it up all over again. Partially because my mom is coming into town this weekend, so it made more sense for her to stay with us. And so I got a futon the other day, and I got it in like a modern looking version because I feel like futons, the futon that that comes to mind when I think of a futon is those black ones with black wiring, just super basic. I wanted one that worked as a futon, but also as like an actual visually appealing couch. So that is what I got. So I need to work on putting this together, but I also ordered some stuff from IKEA, which I'm really excited about. Now that had nothing to do with my mom and just our family in general coming into town. I got that stuff because I think it'll make a really nice, just like change of scenery for my room, for my bathroom. So that was gonna happen regardless, but let me show you what I got. For starters, I got a huge mirror. This is the one, I think it's called the Hovet. It is huge. It's actually way bigger than I was expecting, and they have officially marked the price down. So if you've also been eyeing this, it is $50 cheaper. I also have a rug in here that I'm going to put up once I have the futon in its place. And then I bought a new bathroom mirror. This is kind of what it looks like. It's just like a plain mirror with no border, and then it has a little glass shelf at the bottom. I just want to start recording in my bathroom more, but I have no shelf space to be able to do that. So this little $20 mirror is going to be nice because I can just sit my camera up there and call it a day. The only thing with this is that I will need to call a handyman because I'm not even going to chance trying to put this thing up. So that is where we are. I feel like this is my biggest project at the moment. So I think this is where we will start. Let's do this final reveal together. This was so much easier to put together than I was expecting. Like, I was really thinking there was some heavy duty hardware in here because the box was so heavy. So I thought I was gonna actually have to put together some sort of like wire frame. Literally just stuck some legs on here with some heavy duty screws, and that's the end. So that took me no time at all. Actually isn't that bad. It's a little tricky though because it has these like ridges, so your body can fall in them just like a little bit. Like, I definitely feel off-centered because of this ridge right down the like center of my back. Wow. I'm actually really vibing with this. For what it was, this was like $150. This is amazing. It might have even been $130. I don't know. I got the little like 2-year warranty through Walmart. But this is so good. I really do like this. I also got a new rug. So this is the comparison, including my matching socks. I really don't not like this rug, but I feel like this one is just like an elevated version of it. So I'm excited to put this one down. I actually forgot that the new rug was gonna be a little bit bigger. So I feel like it actually fills out the space a little bit better. So Jalen is also gonna be super shocked because he was not expecting me to put this together today, let alone by myself. So I don't think he's going to be expecting this when he comes home. So I'm literally gonna take all of these boxes to the trash right now because I'm gonna make it as least obvious as possible, and if he has a good reaction, I'll show it to you. If it's bad, I'm not. Okay, now we can open this. It's from L'Oreal Luxe. And this box is definitely giving Luxe, but this is premium. Looks like this. They kind of did their big one. Wait. No, this is kind of crazy, and it smells so good. This is stacked. This candle smells so good. I really do like that a lot. I'm not sure what this is, but this packaging looks so familiar. Ooh, very pretty. Who is this from? Giorgio Armani. Eyeshadow from Urban Decay. This foundation. I hope to God this is a good match for me. And then the concealer to go with it. YSL. Is that what this is? Yup. YSL. I'm assuming this is mascara. I love this cleanser so much from Youth to the People. This is full size. I love it. And then also from Replica. Is it like a perfume or something? It is. Wait, is it the same as the candle? It is not. I'm so excited about this.
Oh, nice. Very nice, very nice.
I was telling them if you had a good reaction, I'll put it in the vlog.
Oh, that's recording? Oh my God! No, you didn't. You put this up by yourself? Oh my God. Yeah, I can't believe you did that. Oh my gosh.
This is actually the first time.
Oh, you been filming?
Jalen.
Chat.
Please.
Do y'all see this?
Please.
This is a strong, independent black woman, y'all. She done
Please.
put this up by herself.
You know I'm gonna show you loving, baby. I'm just waiting for the nighttime. 'Cause the nighttime's ours tonight. Yeah. You know I'm gonna settle down. For you, I'd do anything. Whoa, whoa, honeycomb sweet.
So it's Thursday. The family comes in tomorrow. So I'm still tying up all of my spring cleaning and also my little home updates. I think right now I'm going to focus on the mirror because the IKEA one is still sitting in the hallway. I think because it's so big, it's kind of daunting. Like I've been trying to play in my mind where exactly I'm going to stand it up at. Because as you can see, this smaller one kind of just fits in this little corner of my room. But the other one is so much bigger that I don't even know where to begin. I'm gonna try to do like a side-by-side comparison of these because it's kind of crazy. Okay, where to begin? Let's just open it. This thing is massive. I love it. This is truly so amazing. I always knew this mirror was going to give what it is currently giving. I think with my other one, I'm just gonna go put it out in the living room. It would have been nice if I could make really good use of the mirrors we already have in our rooms. Like our closet has sliding door mirrors. But the weird thing is that since the window and the mirrors are opposite of each other, whenever I go to take a photo here, it's just super overexposed because the sun is like shining in so brightly, so it's never really worked out. So anyways, very happy about my new little mirror. This is the best little investment. I could really talk about this thing all day. Let me go ahead and go.
flex. Black on black. Catching a beat like that. Catching a beat like that. Yeah, you know me. Step in that place so sweet. You cannot come for me. I'm that big energy. When I walk in the door, everybody stop, yeah, it's a show. When the kids hit the floor, ba-da-ba-ba-bum, yeah, you know. Make it work, get real low. Take it big, got the place moving slow. Now I got all the go. Hit the ceiling and I can't let it go. Yeah, it's just facts. Yeah, I'm living like that. Yeah, I'm living like that. Yeah, it's just facts. Yeah, I'm living like that. Yeah, I'm living like that. Yeah, it's just facts.
Okay, that is a wrap. Time to put my living room back together and my kitchen. It's 7 o'clock and I'm finally done doing everything house related. I cleared off my shelf, cleaned the bathroom, cleaned the kitchen, cleaned the living room. Jalen went to donate a few things for me because I did not feel like leaving the house. Filmed a video and whatever else little things I did. I'm finishing up this room. I had ordered some new pillows. I'm hoping they're going to like inflate rather quickly. Oh yeah, these are like vacuum sealed. Okay, I need scissors. I can hear it inflating already. This is kind of flimsy. Maybe it's still coming to and like doing its thing. I hope so. I thought it was going to be a bit more firm. Like this is ultra loose, like not too much is firm about it. Definitely got the wrong size, but I think that'll be okay. I'm just gonna drop them behind here. There's like a little ledge, you know, behind the thing. You smell good. You smell good, boy. You smell so good. Okay, 2 pillows. This one matches the comforter set. And then the other one is just like a standard one that matches, oops, I did not mean to unroll that, the sheets. It's like a white polka dot. I'm literally just gonna stick everything behind here because I feel like that's the easiest way to disguise everything. Whenever the bed actually needs to be made, you can just pull everything forward. This room has made quite the transformation in the past like week or so, because it all started with me taking down my candle stuff. Then now we have a futon slash bed. I've been trying to get rid of this thing, but since I still have it, I decided to just leave it in here as a nightstand. Got some flowers, cute little lamp that I thrifted when I was in North Carolina, and a diffuser. Added some random artwork that I've been having for years at this point. Oh, and in here I put some hair products that I don't want that I tried once. The Donna's Recipe sweet potato pie. It's like the cream and also the leave-in. Honestly, my mom might not like this either because she doesn't like food smelling things, but I'm just gonna see. Maybe she will. And then once upon a time, these used to be her favorite cookies. I don't know how often she eats them now, but if she doesn't want them, I definitely do. And that's all we got. Anyways, I'm gonna go wash my hair, clean my room. That's all that's left for me to do. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I will be vlogging the entire time that they're here, so if you're curious what we get up to, there will be a video on that. Stay tuned.